Evenings in India feel incomplete without some garma garam snacks, right? Aloo Pyaz Kachori, spicy Bhel Puri and crispy bread pakora. All you need is a cup of chai to complete the scene. Let's make them together. Let's begin with our crispy, flaky Aloo Pyaz Kachori. For this, in a bowl, add flour, carom seeds and a little oil. Rub it well until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now add water, knead into a semi-soft dough, cover with a damp cloth and rest it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, dry roast coriander seeds, cumin, fennel and kasuri methi for that amazing aroma. Once cooled, coarsely grind them. Now in another pan, heat oil, add garlic, green chilies and onions. Saute until onions turn translucent. Now add besan and powdered spices. Give it a good mix and add boiled mashed potatoes. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Finally, a touch of sugar and some onion slices go in. That's our filling. Flavorful and ready. Now divide both dough and filling into 8 equal portions. Flatten the dough, place the filling inside, seal and gently press it into a kachori shape. Now deep fry on low-medium flame until golden brown and crisp. Just look at that golden beauty, crunchy outside, spicy inside. Now let's make something light, tangy and quick. Bhel Puri. In a large bowl, add puff rice, cucumber, tomatoes, onions and potato cubes. Give it a quick mix. Now add green chilies, ginger, tamarind chutney, spicy green chutney, chaat masala and a dash of lemon juice. Stir it well. Now top it off with roasted peanuts and lots of save, then garnish with coriander leaves. Remember, serve it immediately because no one likes soggy bhel. And finally, the ultimate evening snack, hot and crispy bread pakoras. Start by boiling and mashing potatoes. In another bowl, prepare the batter, add gram flour, turmeric, chili powder, salt, a pinch of soda and carom seeds. Now add water to make a smooth batter and keep aside. For the filling, heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and a pinch of hing. Then add mashed potatoes, garam masala, coriander, chili powder, turmeric, amchur and salt. Mix until fragrant. Now slice the bread into triangles. Spread green chutney on one side, add a layer of the potato filling and cover with another slice. Now dip this sandwich into the besan batter, coat it well and deep fry until golden brown and crisp. Now serve piping hot with chutney or ketchup and don't forget a hot cup of tea or coffee. So there you go, 3 ultimate desi evening snacks perfect for chai time. Which one are you craving right now? For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.